Hello everyone, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's kitchen. It's already autumn. Today I'll make cooked rice using Pacific Saury, which is an autumn fish. By the way, Pacific Saury writes kanji like this. Autumn, so fish. Because the shape resembles a soul. Cut the Pacific Saury in half. Make a cut. Make chapter with Shichirin. Grill the Pacific Saury. Oh, looks delicious! Wow! Oh! Mmm! That is good! Ow! Ah! Ooh, it was delicious! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Oh! No! Oh my god! I shouldn't have eaten! Shred the ginger. 1 cup of rice. 1 cup dashi. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. Sprinkle shredded ginger. Put the Pacific Saury on the top. Cook on strong medium heat for 13 minutes. Reduce the heat when it's about to boil over. Don't open the lid on the way. When it's time, turn on high heat and wait for a few seconds. Turn on the heat and leave for 10 minutes. Sprinkle green onion. This is an autumn taste. By the way, we have one problem. Pacific Saury has been poor-catch in recent years. Is it due to changes in the global environment? We must cherish nature for marine resources. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. See you next time.